Live radio is the best way to connect with your listeners. But what if you could do the same with an automated station? What if your audience didn't even know you weren't there? Today, you'll discover how to automate your station so well that your listeners won't notice the difference. In this episode, we are diving into one of the biggest secrets of managing a radio station: how to use automation that sounds human, intentional, and full of presence, even when no one's at the mic. Everything you need, tools, links, and examples is just below this video. Welcome to the Art of Broadcasting. This is a quick sneak peek of the full article from our radio industry expert, Ivan Tenorio. Be sure to check out the complete guide below to get the most value out of today's episode. But let's start by talking about the reality of radio automation. Even the biggest stations automate a lot more than you think. But the key is doing it with care. Good automation isn't just pressing play. It's about building a flow that feels natural and personal, like someone is really there, even when there isn't. Which tools can we use to automate our radio? Well, if you've got a studio, tools like ZaraRadio or Salamandra are your best friends. But if you want a fully online tool, then you have many popular solutions like AzuraCast, SendBroadcaster, Centova Cast, MediaCP, SonicPanel, RadioKing, Radio.co, or many more. These platforms handle your stream and scheduling. And by the way, they're all compatible with the Pro.Radio player, so you can play the music and show track titles right on your site. These tools can take care of your stream and radio scheduling, so your station keeps going on its own, allowing you to save time and prepare in advance. Anyhow, if not done properly, this can feel cold and make you lose listeners. People love to think there's someone behind the mic. You don't want it to sound like a random playlist, right? So you may want to give your morning some energy, keep the nights chill, and drop in some voice lines, either recorded or AI. This will do the trick and will make it feel like someone is really actually there. Stuff like, "Thanks for spending your evening with us," or "We are here with you, wherever you are." And of course, don't forget the jingles. Every 10 to 15 minutes is a good rhythm. Keep your transitions clean, no jarring cuts, no dead air. Make it flow. That's how your playlist will keep the vibe and feel like someone is behind it when it's all automated. But do you really have to do everything yourself? Actually, not anymore. Have you ever thought about using AI automations to save time and make your radio sound better? Here's an easy way to begin, even if you are not a tech expert. Use a tool like ChatGPT to help you write the parts of your broadcast, the short phrases to introduce or close a segment, small scripts to link songs, or even a full 1-hour outline. Then paste those texts into a service called ElevenLabs, which turns them into real-sounding voices. You can pick the one that fits your station tone, calm, energetic, whatever you like. Put it all together with your music. Start with a jingle, play a few songs, drop in the voice messages, and at the closing. And just like that, you've got 1 hour of radio that feels alive, even if it's fully automated. Live or not, what matters is how you sound. And if your automation has rhythm, soul, and identity, your audience won't care. They'll stay. But don't take my word for it. Check out the article below and try implementing the professional tips from our expert Ivan Tenorio explained in detail in this new episode of The Art of Broadcasting. Thank you for watching and see you next week on Pro.Radio.